Guys, this is so beautiful. It looks exactly like the airports. You know, this is how the airports look. And this look like airports in many countries, even finer than airports in many countries. But this look exactly like the airport, the Baiyun Airport, International Airport. So I'm so early, and the reason being that I want to tour the place for you guys. I want to walk around. Let me find a seat to sit so that yeah, I can get some clips for you. And also look for my gate first because I don't want to surprise the guys. Look at the ground. One of the reasons why I love China is the cleanliness of the place. China is clean. Like China is extremely clean. Guys, let's go. Very clean. No smoking, but people are smoking. This place is smelling of smoke. But that's the only thing. That's it. But how clean it is.
由广州而语开往州头方向的2008次列车已经开始检票，请乘坐2008次列车的旅客由303B检票口检票上车，列车停靠在。
So guys, if you leave this place, this is what you see. This is milk from the milk, and yeah. So this is it. That is my bag there. Let's walk around because I have time. This is place for hot water. You know, Chinese people eat a lot of noodles, cup noodles, drinking water, and water for noodles. Yeah. This is shopping area, waiting area.
整个站一圈下来就这么一点点，那个是在那边的，那要多大胆子？晚上走的时候，
I don't even have enough space on my phone because I have filmed a lot. I filmed too much. I create some space. So, by the side of the metro, this side, you see a lot of no, you see a lot of stores and also see a lot of food. So I'm going with slow train. I don't know if everything has slow and speed train, but yeah, I'm going with slow train. I'll walk around the place for you. After walking around, this is ticket center or service center, I don't know. After walking around for you guys, I'll go and shake my gate. My gate. You know what? This is boarding. These people are boarding. Boarding gate. But this place is not as big as Hangzhou. I think it's the same, cha. This is another entrance. I came through the entrance, the other entrance. So these are boarding gates. Those ones are boarding gates. No, Hangzhou is actually bigger. Hangzhou South rail station is actually bigger. I guess this is for slow train. I want to climb up, but I want you guys to first of all see everything before I take you guys off. I'm leaving by 4, so I still have a lot of time. That's why I'm doing this. See? Guangzhou Baiyun rest station. Guys, this place is beautiful. As you know, Guangzhou has a lot of rest stations. I've traveled a lot in China anyways. I've been to a lot of cities, take a lot of trains. The other day, I took a bullet train to Shenzhen. Like I went to Shenzhen 3 times. The last one was very problematic. I wasn't happy. Seems like people don't use this that much. If it is in Hangzhou, bruh, you see a big, like a lot of people. So let's try and go up and see what is upstairs. Then I'll come back and check for my I'll check for my boarding gate, because the ticket is actually in Chinese. We are going up to see what is upstairs. This is the reason why you should come quick, come early to your airport for metro station. Especially if this is like your first day. Okay, this is a restaurant, but I guess it's not functioning. So guys, basically here, upstairs here is the restaurant that is like some of them are not functioning anymore. There's a lot of restaurants. Then these are the platforms. So these are the platforms for the train. This is where you come and see your boarding. Yeah. So this is McDonald's. Is it McDonald's too? Okay, yes. People eating McDonald's. Yeah. Another Chinese noodles, a lot of Chinese noodles, Chinese food. Yeah, so guys, let's go down. And this is the rest station. Okay guys, I will go down now and check my ticket and get the information on my ticket. I guess that is VIP. That place is VIP seats. That place is VIP seats. Yes, I'll go now and check information on my ticket. I love how clean it is. Sparkling clean. Thanks to those people. Yeah, they are the people who make this possible.